Hello everyone, this is Feng from Beijing. Today, I would like to teach you 5 most common used sentences that you can use in a Chinese restaurant. Stay tuned. Number 1. I want to order. You can say 点菜. 点 means order and 菜 means dishes. 菜 in Chinese also means vegetables, but you can use 菜 for all the dishes. So 点菜 点菜 means I want to order. Simple, right? Number 2. I want this one. Oh no, I want this one. I want this one, 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 this one. I want everything. How do you say I want this one? You say 我要这个。我要这个。我 is I, and 要 is want. 这个 is a very universally used word, means this. 这个 can be everything, right? So you can say 我要这个 means I want this one. So 我要这个，我要这个，我要这个，我要这个，我要这个，我要这个， right? Number 3, I want to get the bill. 我要买单。我要买单。我要买单。Again, 我要 means I want. Okay? 买 is buy, and 单 is ticket or a bill. So 买单 means buy the bill. Get the bill, buy the ticket, buy the bill. So 我要买单 or simply 买单 means get me the bill. Number 4. For the people who cannot handle the strong spice in a Chinese restaurant, I would highly recommend this easy sentence you can use upon you place the order. So you can tell the waitress simply 少加辣。少加辣。少 is less, and 加 is add, and 辣 means spicy, right? So 少加辣 means add less spicy. Literally, it says less add spicy. 少加辣. Okay? Tip number 5. This is my favorite. Which one is the best? That's the sentence that you want to ask whenever you place the order in an exotic restaurant or exotic place like China. You have no idea about the food, so you want to know which one is the best seller. So in this case, you can ask 哪个最好? 哪个 means which one. 最 is the most, and 好 is good. So which is the most good one? 哪个最好? 哪个最好? Which one is the best? I want the best. I don't want the second best. I want the best. Well, that's all for today. Please feel free to leave a thumbs up if you feel the video is helpful. Until we meet again, see you later.